Welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you guys how you can promote Clickbank product using Quora free traffic. Okay, I'll be showing you guys step by step guide, so watch to the end so you can know how it's done. And if this is your first time coming back to my channel, please remember to subscribe, okay, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out any video I upload on this channel. Okay, so on your screen now, these are some of my payments I received from Clickbank recently. You can see the time, okay, and you can see the issuing date to know that it's recent. So how this work is, you come over to Clickbank Marketplace, search for a product, but most of you don't know the niche join. I make use of the health and fitness niche, but you can also join the e-marketing niche like make money online niche or the green niche. Okay, but I love health and fitness. So there's a product I want to promote now called Nitrilene. It's all about weight loss. I've done research about the product. When you do research about the product, you just click here on the product and to direct you to the official page and read about it. So, and the average conversion for this product is $119. That means if you make a sale, you make this commission. That's right. So you tap on your promote, you will then grab your uplink. When you click generate uplink, you grab your uplink. Okay, so that's how it's done. So when you grab it, you have to create a landing page for it. You have to create a landing page, and I created this cool landing page using Google Sites. As you can see, it's not that big quality, but at least it's still good. Okay, so I built it using Google Sites, and you can see I added the custom domain official nitrilene.ml. okay, so if you want a full tutorial on how to create a landing page on Google Sites and how to configure a free domain to it, yeah, then comment down below that I need the tutorial, and I will do that in my next video. Okay, there are some other landing page builder you can use. There's Aweber, there is Builder All, there are many more, but most of them need you to pay for you to use the custom domain. But if you want to use the free, you see your website link will look so much, might look spammy. Okay, that's why I go ahead with this Google site. So after building a nice landing page, with your custom domain, then you can come over to Quora.com. okay, create a account. Okay, if you want to focus on a niche, create your account. All your details will be about that niche. Okay, like make sure you just create account for that niche, and you want to focus on that niche, create another separate Quora account. Okay, so you look like an authority. So what you have to do first on your Quora account is you have to search for some kind of question like how to lose weight. Since it's a weight loss product I'm promoting, you have to search for like how to lose weight. Then for the first 1 to 2 weeks, since you are new on Quora, just be answering questions without posting a link. Okay, because if you start posting link, they'll buy your account. Okay, post question without any link. So when you do that, your account will get like the quality of your account will increase, and later after the 2 weeks, then you start adding link to your answers. Okay, and make sure your answers are unique, not copy and paste. Okay, so let me show you an example. You write how to lose weight. Okay, search it on Quora, and you see list of questions, people asking how to lose weight, many people looking at how to lose weight. Okay, so it's now your own time now to give them a good response to that answer. Then you now recommend the product you're promoting, but don't let it look like you came purposely to promote the product. Okay, so by time I like written past week, that means recent questions. Okay, let's see. And sometimes in your niche you might not see question directly like this. You have to just search for question related. See how to lose weight fast. Okay, 20 hours ago. So you can open this question in a new tab. Okay, open the question in a new tab. So you want to answer this question. Okay, and I think this, okay, yeah, it's loading. So you have to give a good detailed answer. It should be long enough and well explanatory, and I'll advise you guys to add some kind of images, weight loss images. You can get that from Google. Just search on Google and search for weight loss. Go to the image section and see some kind of image. You can just download it. Okay, so currently there's 2 answers on this question. You can see people are dropping answer, so you can just tap on answer here. Okay, and to open answer page for you here. So what you have to do now is you just give a good answer. I can't type for long, okay, because I keep typing, the video will be too long. Okay, so I want the video to be brief and short. You can just write like, okay, first of all, you go straight to the point. The question is how to lose weight fast. Then you can go to Google, check for ways to search for 10 ways to lose weight fast, and you can copy their reply, their answer. Okay, these are some ads, so you can see list of way to lose weight. So you can just copy this answer. Okay, just make sure you just add some detailed explanation, paste it there. Then at the down of your answer, you can just write something like, okay, or like, all these above are ways to lose weight, but if you are looking to lose weight faster, then check out this. Okay, sorry, then check out this. It has helped many people to lose weight. Then you add your link here. You just paste your link here, but no, you embed your link. So let me see this. I'll add the link here, then check this out, then you tap here, and then you embed your link here. When embedded, don't see my link is www.fb.com. okay, let me see, this is my link. Then you just tap on add, and boom, your link has been embedded. You can embed it in multiple places, like 2 or 3, so they can notice it. You can't just paste your link directly on Quora. Okay, so you embed it, but don't do this immediately after creating your account, because your account is still new, so you have to keep posting answer without any link. So once you do this, remember to add like 2 to 3 emails, so it can stand among others and look unique. Okay, comment people just put answer without any link, so you put link, that will be good. Okay, I say link, image, sorry. So, and make sure your answer is long, it's lengthy, so it can also rank, because there used to be long. You see many answers on Quora, and some will outrank some, so you just have to make your own long and add image and make it good, like to really, if someone really, yes, person will benefit something from it, so people will give you upvote, like thumbs up. That's like thumbs up on Quora, and to make your answer rank. Something good about Quora is once your answer rank, it can keep ranking for months, and once you are getting clicks on it, to later lead to sale. But why I like this method is that people that will click on check this now, like people that will click on your link, are people interested in knowing what is making people lose weight loss fast. And when they come over to your landing page here, they'll see 90% off, and they'll read about the product. Okay, sorry for this. And they'll read about the product, and you see cool is nice, and they'll click on get now if they're actually interested. And once they buy it, boom, you have made your sale. So that's how this method works. So that will be all for today. Please kindly give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment down below if you enjoyed this.